Ooh, what are these things? Looks like some kind of poo. Something went poo here. So as I sit here in my little secluded spot in the rainforest, no one knows where I am. No one in the world. Just me and my rainforest here in Washington. How many times can I say the word rainforest? Oh, you know, the rainforest here, the rainforest. It's not raining here in the rainforest. But, it occurs to me, what if I get lost? I mean, I get lost in Seattle, much less in the middle of the jungle here. So we're just going to sit here for a while, commune with nature, and move on. Because behind me, that's a big hill, so we're not going to go up the big hill. What strikes me as I sit here is the abundant life. I mean, life upon life. It was as if life was not happy just being life. Life had to grow on other life. To the burp. To the point where life just, you can't look anywhere without seeing life. Okay, the car is somewhere over there. Okay, now I'm having fun scaring myself. Feels like I should have gotten to the car already. Unless I'm like paralleling the road. It's over there somewhere, I think. Obstacle. Go that way. Or go that way. Let's go this way. Okay, this is not right. Obviously, I did not go that way. Where's the car? Aha, magic. Fuck. Now I really am lost. I was joking before. Alright, lots of little birdies. I am most definitely lost now. And I just saw an elk go charging through over here. Elks. Yeah, elks. That wasn't the road. It wasn't a car I heard. It was an elk. Oh, yay, yay. Oh, my car. Oh, I promised never to go striking off into the rainforest again. I love you.